Hi, welcome to this session on CAT 2020 LRDI solutions. This is a question which is a 4 variable Venn diagram question. It's not too difficult. It has a decent amount of data and all the questions are theta questions, so no options are given to you. I would suggest pause this video, try this set on your own. The questions and the answer key will be available in the description of this video. Once you have tried this set, then proceed with the rest of this session. Before I start, in case you have not done it already, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please do hit the like button in case you like this particular video. Please do comment and let us know how you liked these solutions and the ones which follow. Also, share this with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. You can also follow us on various other social media channels like LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. All the relevant links are available in the description of these videos. In case you're preparing for the CAT 2021 examination, do have a look at our Ultimate LRDI course. This is the most comprehensive course for CAT LRDI available in the market. We have more than 500 LRDI sets with detailed and well-explained video solutions. We also provide you with one-on-one mentoring. You get a chance to review your CAT preparation throughout your CAT journey, and in case you get stuck, you get a chance to speak with me individually and get your doubts resolved. We have prompt doubt clearing, discussion forums, WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Everything is available all in one roof. Do have a look at that course. The link is available in the description of this video. Let's get started. So this set says 1,000 patients currently suffering from a disease were selected to study the effectiveness of treatment of 4 types of medicines, A, B, C, D. So there are 4 medicines being administered. These patients are first randomly assigned into 2 groups of equal size called treatment and control group. Okay. So you have a treatment and you have a control group. Okay. And they are of equal size. So 1,000 split evenly, 500 and 500. Right. The patients in the control group were not treated with any of these medicines. So they were not given any of them. So none of A, B, C, D is basically control group. That's 500. That's already known to us. Right. The patients, right. Instead, they were given a dummy medicine called placebo, containing only sugar and starch. Okay. The following information is known about the patients in the treatment group. So all this data is about the treatment group. So these 500 people, we already know 500 were not given anything. These 500 were given A, B, C, D in multiple combinations, but they will be given at least one of these 4 medicines, right? And then you have information about these people were given A, these were given B, A but not B, and so on. And so it's a 4 variable Venn diagram, right? Of 500 is the total, right? And then you have information about how many people were treated with medicine type B, number of patients who were treated with medicine type B, C, and D but not A, and so on. So we need to find the regions in the Venn diagram. So let's draw a 4 variable Venn diagram. So the total is 500. This is 500 for the total Venn diagram. Plus you also have 500 who are not given any medicine, right? That's your control group. Okay, so let's figure this out. A total of 250 people were treated with type A. So type A is 250, right? And a total of 210 were given type C. C is 210. Okay, so A is taken care of. Statement B says 25 people were treated with type A only. So 25 type A only. 20 with type C only. 20 with type C only. 10 with type D only. 10 with type D only. This is also done. 35 patients were treated with type A and type D only. Type A and type D only will be 35. Okay, 20 were treated with type A and type B only. 20 with type A and type B only. 30 with type A and type C only. A and C only, that is 30. 20 with C and D only. 20 with C and D only. Statement D says 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicine. So this will be three types of medicines, right? This total will add up to 100. Okay, we'll come to this later. E says 40 patients were treated with A, B and C but not D. Inside A, inside B, inside C but not D. So this region, so this will be 40 people. 20 were treated with A, C, D but not B. A, C, D but not B. A, C and D but not B. So that will be this. This is 20. So this is also done. 50 were given all 4 types of medicines. 50 were given all 4 types of medicines. 75 were treated with exactly 1 type of medicine. So exactly 1. That's 25. This is not known. 20 and 10. This total will add up to 75. So we can find only B. 25 plus 30 is 55. So only B will be 20. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now we can add up the total. This total should add up to 250. That is inside A. This is inside A. So let's calculate how much will this be. Right, this is 35 plus 25 is 60, 80, 120, 150, 200, 220. So this part will be 30. Now we know exactly 3 is 100, right? Out of which we know 40, 20 and 30, that's 90. So this will be 10. Now we also know the total inside C. Total inside C is 210, right? So subtract this value, we'll get B and C only. B and C only. So that's 70, 90, 140, 140. This was 20. 140 plus 30 is 170, 190. So this is 20. And we know the entire total is 500. Only one region is missing. So from 500 subtract everything else. We'll find this region. So if we add this, this total is 250. 250 plus 50 is 300. 300 plus 50 is 350. So this value will be 150. Now we have filled up all the values inside the Venn diagrams, right? We know every region. We can answer all the questions pretty easily. Let's go and solve them. Okay, I've written this down neatly. Okay, how many patients were treated with type B medicine? Type B medicine will be the total under type B. So 40, 80, 100, 150, 300 plus 40, 340 will be this total. Okay, the number of patients who were treated with medicines B, C and D but not A. B, C and D but not A. That will be 10. How many patients were treated with type B and D only? B and D only. So that will be 150. And the last one, the number of patients who were treated with medicine D was how much? Medicine D, the total under medicine D. That's 100, 135, 285, 305, 325. 325 is the total. So this is a pretty straightforward question, right? There are two things where you need to be careful about. That the 1,000 people, you already have given the none in a slightly different format, which is the control group, right? So that part is given as groups of 2 equal size. So the control group is the region which is outside of each of these medicines. And the second one where you might be stunned a little bit is this number suddenly pops out as 150, right, which is way bigger than all the others. So you might end up actually calculating again or cross-checking your calculation. Overall, it's a moderate to easy level question. 6 to 7 minutes in an exam situation. To solve this, a must attempt question. That finishes this session on CAT 2020 LRDI solution. Do let us know how you found these particular set of solutions. In case you want to look at more such solutions, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on various social media groups. The links are available in the description of this video. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and all the best.